to love Georgia. Look at how beautiful it is out here. I love this. There's a hill up here I've been scoping out for a while now. I want to try to climb it, get a good climbing video in. Holy cow, look at that. Can you see that waterfall? That is just nuts, man. Woo, look at that. That's nuts, man. Wow, holy mackerel. Right there, that's the creek that feeds that waterfall. We'll go get some shots of that waterfall again here in a minute. But check this out. This is really why I came out here today. Check this out. Whoa, it's gonna be awesome, man. Good stuff. So I'm gonna crawl up this hill. Check this hill out. Man, this is cool. So I'm gonna try to crawl up into here, get to the top, and then crawl back down. Is this nuts or what? RC crawler heaven into here, man. So I'm gonna get to the top there and then come back down. Oh man, look at this. Oh good night, that's awesome. Whew. Okay, here we go. Good stuff, right on. I didn't make it to the top of that hill, but that's okay. I'll save it for next time. Did good though. Did real good. Had a lot of fun. That nuts or what? Holy cow! I need to come back and crawl these rocks down here. Wow. Good stuff. I'm going to get something to eat. Ooh, I'm hungry. All right. Bye now.